Creating a conference and managing submissions can be complex. With PeerSubmit, you can create your conference in just a few steps and start accepting submissions quickly. First, log in to your PeerSubmit account. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see multiple options. To create conference, click on Create Your First Conference button. After filling in all the required information, click Create Conference. Your conference is now successfully created. Once the conference is successfully created, you will be automatically redirected to the General Settings page. In this section, you can configure the essential information related to your conference. Here you will see several settings such as Guidelines, Venue Details, Conference Banner, CO Details. Let's go through each of these settings and fill in the required information. Guidelines section. Here you can provide important instructions for authors who plan to submit their research papers. Venue Details. In this section, you can enter the location where the conference will take place. Conference Banner. Here you can upload a banner image that represents your conference. Finally, CO Details. Now let's move to the Email Templates section. In this section, you will find all the system email templates used for communication throughout the conference workflow. These templates are automatically used to send notifications to different users such as authors, reviewers, program chairs, team members. Emails are triggered automatically based on different actions in the system. For example, when an author submits a paper, when a reviewer is assigned to review a submission, when a paper is accepted or rejected, when revisions are requested. This ensures that all participants in the conference are kept informed at every stage of the submission and review process. Each email template can be fully customized based on your conference needs. You can edit the email subject, the email body, additional instructions or information you want to include in the notification. This gives you full control over how communication is handled with participants. PeerSubmit also provides several dynamic placeholders that automatically insert relevant information into the email. These placeholders help make your emails dynamic and personalized, without needing to manually edit each message. Next, let's move to the Access and Role section. In this section, you can manage the people involved in organizing and managing the conference. PeerSubmit allows you to assign different access to users based on their responsibilities. These access help ensure that each member has the right level of permissions. You can invite team members to collaborate on the conference. Simply enter the person's name and email address, and assign them an appropriate access. First, we have Main Menu Access. Here you can control which main dashboard applications a user can access. Next is Conference Menu Access. Here you can control access to different conference management areas. This ensures that only the appropriate team members can modify conference configurations or access submission data. Once invited, they will receive an email notification with instructions to access the conference. Next, we have the Speakers section. In this section, you can add and manage the speakers who will be presenting at the conference. Speakers may include keynote speakers, guest speakers, session speakers, panel speakers. Adding speakers helps showcase the experts and researchers participating in your conference. Once added, the speaker information can be displayed on the conference landing page. Similarly, PeerSubmit also provides an option to add sponsors and partners for the conference. Sponsors and partners play an important role in supporting academic events, and showcasing them helps recognize their contribution and increase the credibility of the conference. And that's how you can create your first conference in PeerSubmit. With just a few simple steps, your conference is ready to be configured and start accepting submissions.